So how soon after baby Delante was born did your son unfortunately pass away?
3 weeks.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So 3 weeks later?
Yes, 3 weeks later, Your Honor. I drawn to him and Ladybug, because that's all I had left, you know. He was my oldest child, you know, but he was still my baby. So I needed that comfort.
So you say you were drawn to Ms. Royal?
Yes.
You clung to them because you really wanted this to be your grandchild,
yes.
and it would be a little piece of your son left in the world.
Yes, Your Honor,
And so what was the bond like in the beginning? Tell the court about that.
You couldn't break us apart. We was together morning, noon, and nights. When I woke up, he was there. When he woke up, I was there. He was my son. I love that little boy. I love him, but the doubts are still there. That's what's killing me.
So as much as you love him, as much as you spend time with him and want to give him the world, when you look at him, you still have doubts.
In the back of my head, yes, it's still there.
You know, I know in this courtroom, we always say you can't go on looks, but it's human nature.
Yeah.
When you look at the baby, do you see your son? Do you say, I see him?
Right there. They look like they got the same chin a little. Yeah.
But when you're spending time with him, you don't look at him and go, that's my grandchild.
In the beginning, I did.
What happened? What changed? How did you start pulling away?
I think time, like me dealing with my son's death, and then me remembering his doubt. Because I blocked it out, you know, because I was dealing with my son's death. So, the doubt came back.
When she said they had doubts, I never knew. Like, cause, you know, I kept asking for the DNA test. I had no problem with me. He always say, my boy. When he passed, like before he had passed, they had a bond. They would sleep with each other. He'd be at my house with my baby, with his baby. 24/7, what he doing when he not with me? What he doing? What my baby doing with my son? So, like, when y'all say doubts, I don't believe it, because I'm here today to prove it.
I can see when you look at the baby how much it means to you to get this cleared up, Ms. Royal. And I know it's hard, because if you know for certain that Delante is your child's father, then you know for certain your child will never know his father.
Right.
And that's painful.
He had no of him, though.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I don't want to make you ladies wait any longer. You've been through so much. Ms. Walker, have you prepared yourself either way? What will I do if he's not my grandson? Have you thought about it?
No. That's something I can't prepare for.
Can I ask you this? This happens in certain cases, and I often ask this because the truth is always the best path.
Yes,
but we're all human.
Yeah.
And so there's a part of me that says, do you even want to know for certain?
Oh, yeah.
You do. Because you understand what I mean, that you could just move through this. You have these beautiful pictures of your son holding this beautiful baby. You have this relationship with Miss Royal and with baby Delante.
Yeah.
Regardless of that, you've said to yourself, I want the truth.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, I do.
And I have it for you.
Thank
Jerome, these results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics, and they read as follows. Because there wasn't a blood card available to test the DNA of the deceased, Delante Ross, we performed a DNA test with his surviving parent, Monique Walker. With that being said, the results determined if there is a viable relationship between the child, Delante Royal, and Monique Walker. Here are the results. In the case of Walker versus Royal, when it comes to 15-month-old Delante Royal, it has been determined by this court. The percentage of relatedness between Ms. Monique Walker and Delante Royal, 99.99%.
Period.
You are related.
Yes.
Period.
Yes.
Period. Period.